Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get a Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. Begin by choosing new, used, or custom build and set a firm budget that covers purchase, tax, insurance, and maintenance. Next, check builds, factory options, and VIN history to confirm authenticity. Then locate reputable dealers or private sellers, schedule test drives, and inspect chassis, engine, and electronics carefully. Finally, arrange financing, negotiate price, and complete a secure transfer or escrow. When searching, use targeted sources like enthusiast forums and dealer inventories to find Corvette ZR1s faster. Focus on cars with full service history and clear documentation for any performance parts. Always check mileage and accident reports and request option codes to ensure factory specifications. Arrange an in-person inspection with a trusted mechanic who knows Corvettes. If possible, test drive different builds to compare handling, braking, and comfort before making an offer. If this guide is helping you, please like and subscribe to support the channel and get more Corvette tips. Quick recommendation: treat your feet like your car and pick darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty for comfortable long drives and track days. I find them durable, breathable, and hassle-free. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab a pair before your next road trip. Now let's get back to the video. Finalize the purchase with confidence by securing pre-approved financing or proof of funds ahead of negotiations. Use recent comparable sales and inspection findings to negotiate a fair price reflecting condition and rarity. Insist on a professional pre-purchase inspection that covers engine, transmission, suspension, and electronics. Factor in transport, registration, and any needed maintenance. Once paperwork is complete, arrange secure payment and transfer. Then schedule a full service to prepare the ZR1 for enjoyable ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.